the little things in life. Isn't it beautiful just to be here in a beautiful valley or whatever you wouldn't call this? But man, it's beautiful. Like, I just gotta admit, it's fucking beautiful. And now, why am I saying this? Because I want to appreciate. I want to appreciate not just beauty, but the fact that I'm currently, in this moment, right here, all by myself, in the beautiful, beautiful nature. Now, the little things in life. What are those things? Probably stuff that you don't realize in the moment that really matter, and stuff that you don't pay enough attention. And why am I saying that these little things are important? Because that's gonna build up your character on how grateful of a person you can be. You can be grateful of just being alive. You can be grateful of being in a beautiful world like this one. You can be grateful of so many things. And human beings don't really understand that. And I guess it's alright because we always look at the things we don't have. We always look at to the future. We are worried about what's gonna happen, what's gonna be our goal, how is everything gonna end. And that's why they just don't pay attention, not enough attention to the little things that are around us all the time. I'm saying, bro, all the time. And just being able to walk, breathe, see, like, I know those are stupid things to be grateful of, but I don't know, personally, I'm grateful of just having everything, all the little things. So, the lecture of today, everybody. Let's go into the future. What am I saying? Let's go into the valley, into the new world. Okay, kinda corny, kinda strange, but man, just everybody look at to the future, look at yourself, be grateful, be always proud, and always give it your all. And the little things in life, as I already said, you should pay much more attention to that, because the day you're not gonna have everything that you always had, that's when you're gonna miss it the most. And that's the instant or the exact moment when you're gonna realize, man, I should have appreciated, I should have been more grateful just when having these things. So everybody, make sure to always look into the future and be grateful and happy about what you are. I love y'all.